Hello children and parents. It is indeed my pleasure to talk to all of you today. The work that has gone into creating the very different Sanskar Virtual Fest for Aadhaar has really borne fruit. The artwork that has come in, the funny and cute sports that have been done by the children, the dancing that has been done by the parents and by the children, and all the members of the family as well sometimes, has really shown us a different side to the children, especially if they are going to be chefs in the future. Oh, they've got a very good foundation there with the creations that they have made. When they have dressed up, we've seen how amazing their drama talents are. Now, this could not have been possible at all without you parents, because I know what it takes to take the children at that age and get them to perform. Of course, our MCs, I believe there are 17 of them, were fantastic. Whether it is natural talent or they have been coached by their teachers and parents, it was indeed a very mesmerizing time for me to watch the young ones speak with such confidence, and the language that they spoke was so fluent as well. So parents and teachers, thank you very much. I would of course certainly like to thank Priya ma'am, Lubna ma'am, Neetu ma'am, Anita ma'am and all the form teachers for the work they have done. It was their efforts to see the hundreds of entries come through, send reminders, do takes and retakes for the children who were emceeing, and then get on to actually put together the final work that will be shown to you all in a little time. The sports department and of course the performing arts and arts department have done their very best to guide us through picking up the best that there was and showcasing that this evening. So I thank all of you for the fantastic work. This has indeed sent a very good note to all of us that the benchmarks that the youngest ones in the school can place are very high for us. So thank you once again and enjoy the evening.
everyone. I, Ashima Chauhan, take this opportunity to welcome you all to our very first virtual annual event of Aadhaar, the Sanskar Virtual Fest. Aadhaar always brims with energy and enthusiasm, full of laughter, fun and frolic, with students as well as teachers always eager to learn and teach. The last year, however, saw the rhythm of life change drastically as we moved from regular school to online classes. Though we have not met these children the whole year, but we connected with them virtually every day and did all that was possible. We know it can never be the same, but we feel that we connect with one another. We still really miss the laughter of the children as they move in Aadhaar, the assemblies, classrooms, interaction in the dining hall. We miss those cute faces every day. Well, what has to be done, has to be done. We believe there is an opportunity in every adversity, and that is what we tried to do this year. From online classes to events, celebrations, dress-ups and activities, we tried to give kids an experience that is closest to being in school. And Sanskar Virtual Fest is an endeavor in the same direction. We were truly overwhelmed with the registrations. 99 kids registered for 439 activities in 9 events. And dear parents, this could not have been possible without your never-ending support and trust. How swiftly and unnoticed time flies, and with the year gone by, everything has changed. We all recognize that this has been an extremely difficult time for the children and the parents. We continue to be impressed and overwhelmed by the kind of enthusiasm, patience, and never-ending support which the parents have shown during this period. It has also given us so much joy seeing the children grow in such a short span and adapt fearlessly to the new circumstances. This year, not only did we study together virtually, played games, made friends, and now all of us together have made it possible to put up this magical show. From a born actor to salad story on my plate, from poet in me to kneel it, clap it, catch it, the children have participated with enthusiasm and fervor. What we are showcasing here today is the snippets of all the videos that we received in each event. In each category, we have given titles. For example, for Home Tweet Home, the title is Our Little Picassos. For a born actor, the title is Little Dramebaz. It was really a challenge to shortlist videos for the titles. After a lot of round of selection, the titled videos were selected based on creativity, child's effort, and overall performances. So, in each event, we will showcase the snippets and then the titles in each category. This event was not about competition. For us, each child participating is already a winner. We will also compile a video class-wise with full performances of each child and share with you. So, let's take you through the wonderful presentations. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show by our little Aadhaarians of NEEF 2.
Good evening everyone, and a very warm welcome to the Sanskar Virtual Fest of Aadhaar. I am Yatharth Agrawal from NEEF 2A. I have missed my school so much. I not met my teachers, my friends to the entire year. I miss going on the bus, playing on the swing, and so miss dining hall food. Rajma chawal, gulab jamun, yum! School is very fun, and I'm sure we'll be back in school soon.
Hi, I'm Alize Rashid from NEEF 2A. We have all enjoyed being a part of the Sanskar Virtual Fest. There were so many activities and events for each and every one.
Home Tweet Home for the art lovers. Happy feet those who love to dance, jumping jacks for the fitness freak, and a lot more.
Leave 2, 99 students registered for 439 activities.
We now showcase our talented Aadharians in the Sanskar Virtual Fest of Aadhar. Sit back and enjoy. Hello, my name is Kabir Kataria from Leave to Be. You know what I miss most about my school? Is the chirping sound of so many birds around Aadhar. We at Aadhar are nature lovers, giving food and shelter to birds. It is our duty and our favorite activity too. Yes, birds, the winged animals that can fly high in the sky. Birds are the most admired species on the planet, and many of us have wished if we could have wings and fly like them, soar up high in the sky. And I wish I could learn their names too. I recently also learned about migratory birds. They can fly for miles together, and they can even fly one continent to another. Our friends in Aadhar took part in the activity Home Sweet Home to make bird houses for the birdies, and our little builders have made cozy shelters for our feathered friends with reusable material. So let's take a look what our creative Aadharians have made. Enjoy Home Sweet Home.
from Leave to Be. Storybooks are always fun. They take you to a different world all together. Open a book and you can find people and places of every kind. Open a book and you can be anything you want to be. Open a book and you can share wondrous words you find in there. Open your favorite book and now show me what you love and want to be. Today our friends have dressed as their favorite storybook character. They have been very creative with their expression, costume and their act. So I hope you all love the storybook character in Dress to Express.
The title of my story is The Koala Who Could. In a jungle, a koala called Kevin clung to a tree. He was never too keen to try anything new. Whatever they invite, he would always say no, not to play, not to chat. Oh dear, Kevin just couldn't let go. Then one day he heard a sound. Tap, tap, tappity, tap, tap. Oh no, it was the woodpecker who was cutting the tree. Everybody said, unclung, but Kevin said, I just can't. Whoop. Then one paw by one paw, he started to unclung. He opened one eye. From onwards, Kevin can do. Moral of the story is, life could be great if you try anything new.
Hello everyone, I am Kabir Kataria as the painter.
See, today I am playing role of Chinese emperor. I am the king of the smallest kingdom, Jin. I became the king when I was only 13 years old. I united all the 7 kingdoms to make the one big and the most powerful kingdom called as China. It is named after my name. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ian Beatkar. Today I am writing as Robot Transformer Optimus Prime. Optimus Prime is my favorite story character. I am Optimus Prime, leader of the Autobots. This message is to my creators. Leave planet Earth alone. I'm ready to protect her.
Feet together.
A very good morning everyone. I am Disney Princess Cinderella and these are my famous glass slippers. And my story starts with me sitting around cinders and waiting for my Prince Charming to change my life. You know, be it a classical tale, Snow White, Rapunzel or Sleeping Beauty are always waiting for their Prince Charming to come and change their lives. But girls, why do you need someone else to change your lives? So today, I, Cinderella, has a unique thought that why do you girls need someone else to change your lives? Girls, be strong, be bold and be brave. Take charge of yourself. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nayan Pradar from NEEF 2B. We all know yoga keeps our body and mind fit. From all the annual activity classes in school, yoga is my favorite. I eagerly wait for the weekly online yoga video. Many yoga poses are inspired by nature, animals, plants and mountains. We learned a lot of yoga poses in school: cat pose, monkey pose, cowtail pose, etc. We love to do all of them, especially when there's a bit of a challenge. In a 1-minute animal yoga, the challenge was to do maximum number of animal yoga poses in 1 minute. Some of our friends have also added an animal song to make the presentation even more interesting. So come, let us watch our little champs of NEEF 2 who have combined fitness with fun in a 1-minute animal yoga.
from Nave to C. I love listening to stories during my library class, and I thought stories are there only in books until I saw these creative food art. These are stories on our plates. In this activity, salad story on my plate, the characters are olive, colorful carrots, juicy tomatoes, crunchy apples, and so many more. Tossed and dressed and carved so beautifully together to make an awesome munch for lunch or a delicious salad snack. So get ready everyone to see a salad story by the children of Nave 2. We loved it. Hope you do too.
From Nave to C. I remember my first rhyme, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I used to enjoy singing it. I loved the rhyme in school with my friends. Every morning we used to make a circle and sing rhymes with action. In the activity, the poet Tell Me, we all tried to write few lines about missing school. Writing a poem was not difficult as I thought. Rather, it was easy or fun. First, I made a list about missing things about school. Then I tried to string them with some rhyming words. Bingo! The poet Tell Me
came alive. Some of my friends wrote in English and some in Hindi, and we realized there are so many things we missed about school. My friends, my teachers, my class, the dining hall, and so much more. We hope you are back to school soon. Till then, enjoy your preparations of our little poets of Aadhaar in the Poet Tell Me.
Oh my God, I was a fool. I didn't want to go to school in the valley green and far. But now I miss Aadhaar. Missing my teachers and friends and with COVID-19 end.
I miss my school very much and missing them and Didi too.
मुझे स्कूल की याद आती है, आकर के कह जाती है, अब वापस कब आओगे, अब करते हैं इंतजार।
हमने कभी ये सोचा था ऑनलाइन ही पढ़ पाएंगे, कोरोना के डर से स्कूल नहीं जा पाएंगे। मेरे स्कूल तो मुझे बहुत याद आया। एक ऐसा समय ही आया, कोरोना नाम का वायरस आया जिसने हम सबको बहुत डराया। I miss my school, my teacher beautiful. I miss my school, my friends wonderful.
I miss my school, I miss my class, I miss my friends and teachers. Oh, I miss my Aadhaar every day. दोस्तों से बातें, लंच ब्रेक की मैगी, बहुत हुआ, कब मम्मा स्कूल जाने देगी, पापा गगा अंग, घर पे बोर होगा हम,
Oh, I miss my school. I love to see my friends and the bus ride with them. I love to eat with my friends in the dining hall.
I miss my school. My teachers are too creative and cool.
In school, we love to play with sand and clay. Being at home makes me sad. It made me realize school are the best. Monkeys on the jungle gym. All my friends sharing lunch. Teachers' smiles. I really miss all of them. Sports, music, dance. We all used to learn. Benches, tables, and stools. I miss my school. Green light. What you said, I said, go and go right away.
I love my school. Dance, singing, and yoga classes make me all-rounder.
I miss my friends and my teachers and my class. Playground and dining hall were my favorite part.
I love my school because my teachers are very cool. I miss my school. Oh, Mr. Corona, you're not so cool.
My school was the bus, trees, Lord, gardens green, and friends not seen.
एक नई राह पर बढ़ रहे थे कदम, फिर कोरोना ने कर दिया सब बंद।
I miss the side of teachers' smiles. Heart jump off miles. I am ready to go to school.
I miss my school. This is the big knowledge school.
मेरे प्यारे स्कूल, आप मुझे बहुत याद आते हो। जल्दी से शुरू हो जाओ ना, मुझको क्यों सताते हो?
Hello, I'm Arav Jain from NEEP 2F. Today I recite a poem. I miss my school. This is the big knowledge school. Here I meet my teachers and friends. That's so cool. I miss my school. We play here and follow every rule. I miss my school. Winter has come and rain has gone. But I miss school bus horn. And even my birthday has gone. But I miss school celebration and assembly song. Go, Corona, go. I go to school soon. Thank you.
Hello,
recite one poem. I miss my school, my teacher beautiful. I miss my school, my friends wonderful. I learned so much in the class playground. My school is the best in world around. I want to be back, my second back home. I will be naughty and be happy. My life super awesome. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम वीरेन है। आज मैं आपको एक कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। चलिए सुनिए। मेरे प्यारे स्कूल, आप मुझे बहुत याद आते हो। जल्दी से शुरू हो जाओ ना, मुझको क्यों सताते हो? आईपैड पे पढ़ते पढ़ते मैं हो गया हूँ बोर। मुझको भी चाहिए अब स्कूल संस्कार डायरी का शोर। अब मत सताओ ना, जल्दी से शुरू हो जाओ ना।
Hi, I am Amira Singh Yadav from Leaves to D, and today I am going to tell you my rhyme. So, I'll start. एक नई राह पर बढ़ रहे थे कदम, फिर कोरोना ने कर दिया सब बंद। हम बच्चे स्कूल न जाते, ये बीते दिन स्कूल की याद दिलाते। वो डाइनिंग हॉल में खाना खाना, बस में बैठ के गप्पे लगाना, फ्रेंड्स के साथ नाचना गाना, मैम की बातों को दिल पे लगाना। हम बच्चे स्कूल न जाते, ये बीते दिन स्कूल की याद दिलाते। आई मिस माई स्कूल, आई वांट टू गो बैक स्कूल।
Oh my dear school, I miss you so much during the lockdown and even afterwards. I miss my friends and my teachers and my class. Playground and dining hall were my favorite part. I hope this corona ends soon so that I can go to my school and study in my classroom. My birthday doesn't go well without distributing toffees to my friends. I wish these online classes shall end. Oh my dear school, I miss you so much during the lockdown and even afterwards. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Amira Singh Yadav from Leaves to D. My mom keeps telling me to stop jumping. We kids love to jump. Jumping on the bed, jumping off the bus, jumping in the puddles, jumping everywhere. It's so much fun. No wonder we had more than 90 registrations in this activity. We all enjoy jumping jacks so much. It's the best way to keep fit and healthy while having fun too. In this activity, the challenge is to do maximum jumping jacks in 1 minute. So here we have for you the jumping jacks of Aadhaar. time to dance. We all love dancing. Dancing alone, dancing with friends, and dancing with family. It can never be boring to just move on. Music is so much fun. We have learned so many steps in our dance classes in school, even during our online class. I have not missed a single dance video. Happy Feet is about pairing with your mom, dad, or grandma, grandpa, and dance on children's songs. I am sure they must have enjoyed as much as we did. So let's get ready to rock and roll with the tiny tots of Neve 2 and their family. So here we have Happy Feet for you!
Work for years and years, you're always on the go. You never take a minute off, too busy making dough. Someday you'll say you'll have your fun when you're a millionaire. Imagine all the fun you'll have in your old rocking chair. Enjoy yourself, it's later than you think. Enjoy yourself while you're still in the pink. The years go by as quickly as a wink. Enjoy yourself, it's later than you think. Come on now, you gotta have fun. You're gonna take that ocean trip no matter come what may. You got your reservations, but you just can't get away. Next year for sure you'll see the world, you'll really get around. But how far can you travel when you're 6 feet underground? Enjoy yourself, it's later than you think. Enjoy yourself while you're still in the pink. The years go by as quickly as a wink. Enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself.
चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीटी चाटी चीनी चटोरी चीनी खोर चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीटी चाटी चीनी चटोरी चीनी खोर कितना मुश्किल ये गाना इनके खड़कने से खड़कती है खिड़कियाँ, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह।
खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती है खिड़कियाँ, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह। कितना मुश्किल ये गाना, जरा गा के दिखाना।
खड़क खड़क के खड़के खड़के अच्छा, मुझे तो मम्मी से सीखना पड़ेगा। चलो मम्मी के पास। Mama, will you teach me tongue twisters?
Okay, beta. I will teach you tongue twisters in dance form. Let's go.
Okay, Mom.
चंदा चमके चमचम चीखे चमकना चोर, जीती जाती चीनी चटोरी चीनी को। कितना मुश्किल है ये गाना, जरा गा के दिखाना।
चंदा चीनी चमके जाते चौकन्ना चीखे चोर।
चंदा चमके चमचम चीखे चमकना चोर, जीती जाती चीनी चटोरी चीनी को। पके पेड़ पर पका पपीता, पका पेड़ या पका पपीता, पके पेड़ को पकड़े पिंकू, पिंकू पकड़े पका पपीता।
पके पेड़ पर पका पपीता, पकड़ा सीधी पति का कपड़ा।
कितना मुश्किल है ये गाना, जरा गा के दिखाना।
चंदा चमके चमचम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर, जीती जाती चीनी चटोरी चीनी को।
मम्मा देखो ना बाहर कितना अच्छा मौसम हो रहा है, आओ ना मेरे साथ खेलो।
मैं बिजी हूँ स्वरा, बट ओके।
घोड़े जैसी चाल, हाथी जैसी तुम, ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आए तुम। घोड़े जैसी चाल, हाथी जैसी तुम, ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आए तुम।
हो मीठी मीठी सी ये मुनिया सर पे डाले है ये चुनिया क्यों, हाँ क्यों। हो सोनी सोनी सी कुड़ी नो मौज में रहने देना दुनिया क्यों, हाँ दुनिया क्यों। है कितनी शानदार कुड़ी ये कर देगी कमाल, इसे झूमने दे अपनी बीत दे। कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ चमके। कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू सारे या फिक्रा नू छड़ के बन ठन के। कुड़ी नू नचने दे।
जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 हाय, जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो बाय 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 बाय। आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो, कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 हाय। जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो, कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय।
लव यू जिंदगी, लव यू जिंदगी, लव यू जिंदगी, लव मी जिंदगी।
My name is Kabija from Leaf to Eat. One thing we all kids love doing is playing, whether it is indoor or outdoor. One fun activity we all enjoyed thoroughly. 3 challenges in one game. Kneel it, Kneel down on the floor, clap it, toss the ball and clap. Catch it, catch the ball. The challenge is to repeat the set maximum times in 1 minute. Alertness and coordination is the key. This game is much better than playing games in mobile. I have decided no more online games. Let's go out and play. Here we bring for you kneel it, clap it, catch it. हाँ दुर्योधन, दान मुझे।
मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा।
मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, our internal organ brain is the muscle we love heart। तो उनके मुकदमे सुनते हैं और फैसले भी खुद सुनाते हैं। आगे बढ़ो। My name is Kabir Kadari reporting from Gilgit. We have a recent breaking news। आपका बीपी बढ़ा हुआ है, आप रोज दवाई नहीं खाते हैं? मैं दवाई लिख देता हूँ। मैंने मटन नहीं खाया, कहो जीवन में मेरा नाम है लक्ष्मीबाई। ये मेरा घर है, स्टेशन मेरा, जब मन करे आ जाना मेरा। Hello, my name is Trisha Anandani from Daphne's TV। लक्ष्मणा तुमने लिखी है, वेरी गुड। क्या टीवी देखना है? कितनी देर देखोगी? हाँ, सब आधे घंटे ही देखना है। मेरा जूता है जापानी, पतलू हिंदुस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। एप्पल, बॉय, कैट। I am going to act my grandfather। तुमको जब आता है गुस्सा, आता मावी सटकली। So let's have the first question, please. So the answer is 1 0 4 0 4. Am I correct? नमस्ते बच्चों, मैं हूँ मायरा की दादी। आज मैं आप लोगों को अच्छी अच्छी बातें सिखाऊंगी। हमें कभी झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए, हमेशा अपनी मम्मा पापा की बात सुननी चाहिए। हमको टीवी देखते टाइम खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए, हमें मेहनत करनी चाहिए, हमें दूसरों की मदद करनी चाहिए। मानोगे ना दादी की बात? शाबाश। पुलिस वालों का काम होता है देश की रक्षा करना। तुम लोग नौजवानों ये बात हमेशा याद रखना। थैंक यू। Everyone, my name is Kabir Kadari reporting from Gilgit News. We have a recent breaking news from NASA that the astronauts have reached to Mars and they could not take a selfie with the aliens while having breakfast. How can we believe that? Sports news. India has had a historical win on the players. Now the Australian players can practice with the kangaroos. Coronavirus has been kicked off from the planet Earth, and now the kids are happy because the schools are opening and they can meet their friends and teachers. Thank you. That's all for today.
Hello, my name is Adya Garwal from Neev 2E. Today I will be Rani Lakshmi Bai. मैं रानी लक्ष्मी बाई हूँ और मैंने प्रतिज्ञा ली है कि जब तक मेरे शरीर में रक्त है तब तक मैं पूरी झांसी की सेवा करूंगी। जब बेटी उठ खड़ी होती है तभी वह बड़ी होती है। मैं नहीं दूंगी अपनी झांसी, ये मेरी झांसी और मेरे लोगों की झांसी है। हर हर महादेव, हर हर महादेव। थैंक यू। I'm Arna Bansal from Neev 12. Today I'm acting as Shakuntala Devi. Myself शकुंतला। आज मैं आपको मेंटल कैलकुलेशन करना सिखाएगी। आप क्वेश्चन पूछो, मैं ही उसका जवाब दूंगी। So let's have the first question, please. बढ़िया, मैं मेंटल कैलकुलेशन करना सिखाएगी। So what's 102 into 102? तो मैं आपको आंसर लेफ्ट टू राइट दूंगी फिर राइट टू लेफ्ट। ओके, मैं आपको लेफ्ट टू राइट। So the answer is 10404. Am I correct? Yes, absolutely correct. ना तो मुझको आंसर पता है ना तो इसको।
From Neev to S. With this, we come to the end of today's performances. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as we enjoyed doing it. Now our Nirman friends will be here shortly to showcase their performances. Do not miss out.
Hello, I'm Nian Singh from Neev to F. We would like to thank our parents for all their support and our teachers who help us every time. I wish and pray that we are able to come back to school soon and enjoy with a friend. Thank you. Good night.
Good evening, dear parents. On behalf of Mrs. Neetu Singh, the head of Aadhaar, I, Anita Davar, the Aadhaar coordinator, take this opportunity to thank you all for helping us put together the first ever virtual fest for Aadhaar. I hope you enjoyed the presentations done by our little Aadharians, by children who have not even stepped into the school yet. As you all know, we are in a situation that none of us ever anticipated. But again, what's important is how one deals with it. We know the online classes can never replace the school, but we are so proud of our students who have risen to the occasion and done something we all thought was not possible with young children. Whether it is the class or celebration, events, dress-up days or class activities, our students have managed to do all of this beautifully. And at this stage, I would like to express my sincere, heartfelt gratitude to every parent for doing what they have done this year. We would not have been able to do any of this without your support and cooperation. This is a true example of partnership between the parent and the school. The Sanskar Virtual Fest was conceptualized by the management to bring all the students on a virtual platform to showcase their talent. The first fest was done for the Shikhar students, then for Sopan, followed by Prangan. And of course, how could we leave Aadhar behind? As you all know, we do not do any competitions in Aadhar. So for us, it was just putting the performances together and cherish the efforts put in by the students and the teachers. We are so overwhelmed by the number of registrations. We had 349 students registering for 1497 activities in 16 events. As a school and as a parent, children are our priority. Change is a reality and collaboration the winning strategy, the way forward. Today's performances are an exemplary example of how all of us have adapted incredibly well to an entirely new system of learning. And this is demonstrative of great things to come in future. That being said, I would further like to offer my sincere thanks to all the teachers who've always put the welfare and the well-being of the children as their main and prime priority. Thank you for staying tuned.